Hi folks, this is Klaus at Top Hydraulics. We're going to show you today the microswitches and sensors in the convertible top of the Mitsubishi Eclipse 4th generation, model years 2007 and up. And I think it's great for those who like to get their hands dirty and don't necessarily have a computer to have the computer tell them which switch is bad. You can actually figure it out. The system is beautifully easy. There's a total of 7 microswitches and 5 hall sensors, which I'm going to show you next and make some comments on them, and hopefully that'll help you figure out what's going on with your top in case you have a malfunction. Follow me. The most prone to failure sensor in this top is the tonneau cover up position Hall effect sensor. That's this sensor up here. It's a sensor that has a magnet built in and an integrated circuit, and that integrated circuit, based on the Hall effect, tells the computer when the steel piston inside the cylinder is near the sensor. So this sensor, when the cylinder is fully extended, tells the computer that tonneau cover is open. And well, let's imagine what would be the symptom if that sensor wasn't working. If it wasn't telling the computer that the tonneau cover is up, then the cover would go up, the pump would keep laboring to raise the cover and not move on to the next step. In that case, it's most likely that sensor is bad. You can try to fool it a little bit if you put a flat screwdriver on top of that sensor. That may make it work again temporarily, or it may not, but it's a nice try. If it works after you put a piece of metal next to it, meaning a screwdriver on top, then you know for sure that sensor is bad. But obviously you also want to look for problems on the wiring. The wires are pretty well done in the Eclipse, but anything can happen. There could be rodent damage, or who knows. Let's move on to the next sensor. We have 4 more Hall sensors in this car. Those Hall sensors are the ones that clip into the rails on the cylinders. Let me show you the remaining 4. The tonneau cover latch cylinder Hall sensor is telling the computer when the latch cylinder is fully extended, and that theoretically means the tonneau cover is latched. The 5th bow up position Hall effect sensor is mounted on the right 5th bow cylinder here behind my finger. You can't really see the sensor, it's clipped into the rail. It tells the computer when the 5th bow is up, meaning the top can move on to the next step after the 5th bow is up. If you find the pump laboring to keep raising the 5th bow and not moving on to the next step, then likely the sensor is bad. And like all the Hall effect sensors, they are available from Top Hydraulics. The 5th bow down position Hall effect sensor is clipped onto the secondary cylinder that is inside the top's frame here, and when the cylinder is fully extended, the 5th bow is down. This is supposed to signal to the computer that this 5th bow is down, and there's some redundancy. The same sensor is also on the matching cylinder on the other side. The tonneau cover ready to latch switch on the left side here, I'm pointing at the switch itself. It gets activated by a lever, hear it clicking. That gets activated when a striker from the tonneau cover comes down in here. Once that hits the lever, the computer sees okay, ready to latch, and it'll engage the hydraulic cylinder, the tonneau cover lock cylinder, that then pulls down, and it will next engage the tonneau cover closed or latched switch, which is here. Tonneau cover closed or latched switch. Typically when these switches click, they work. Now both tonneau cover ready to latch and tonneau cover latched or closed switch are on the left side and on the right side, where some late production Eclipses have the right side latched switch omitted. Now, the important thing to know is on the tonneau cover ready to latch switch, there can, in high temperatures, be a problem that these are sticky, that they basically stay down. So after your tonneau cover has raised, if at that point the top doesn't come out, you need to lubricate these levers. And that again is possible both on the left side and on the right side. And for completeness, for those with a scanner computer that can read codes, the DTC code for this situation where the switch is stuck is code B1305 or B1306. The top stack position microswitches for up and down position are on the side of the driver's side hinge. Now that hinge, of course, is mounted down in here inside the wheel well, and well, it tells the computer when the top is up and when the top is down. Now, for example, if your top is down but the pump keeps laboring, trying to keep lowering the top some more and not moving on to the next step, then likely the switch is bad. Here's the left header latch handle micro switch, meaning the switch that tells you that the front is latched and that the top is latched in the front. Or something pushes down in here and you can hear the switch clicking. If you want to examine the switch, you have to take the trim panel off. So one switch on the left, one switch on the right. If you get the warning that the top isn't secure while you're driving, then this must be it.